Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are old, welcome. Today's video is sponsored by Sunber hair. They sent me this kinky straight wig and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing how I got this easy beginner friendly look. As I mentioned, easy beginner friendly, y'all. I definitely love this wig, so let's get right into this video.
He wanna fuck with her. Told me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. What? He wanna fuck with her.
You change overnight. You out of sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. We cater to you, and we cater to you, and we cater to I wanna let you know, girl, that you know that I am what you do. Oh, for me to reassure you, my life would be purposeless without you. If I wanted, I'm gonna ask you, you flying to be there, challenge me for the benefit of you, and we cater to you. Turn my game on, I'll push you, and we cater to you. But you're giving me better.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck the night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna.
So guys, this is the final look. When I say I am in love with this wig, I am definitely in love with this wig. Everything will be in the description box for this company, literally everything. You can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you. I will be turning around, showing y'all the back view, the side view, literally everything. Y'all, I definitely love this wig and it is affordable. Everything will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We at 50K, we've been on the road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to go shop with Sunber hair. Let them know that I did send you. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.
He wanna fuck with her. Tell me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. What? He wanna fuck with her.